Hi, welcome to Srikanth Technologies. I'm Srikanth Pragada. In this video, I explain how to use my online courses. First of all, go to my website srikanttechnologies.com where you get all the details you need to know. To start with, you get to know what are the courses currently scheduled, the timings, the starting date, the course fee, and then approximate ending date and exact number of sessions. We give you exact details. And if you are interested in knowing the details of a course, please click on the course and you get all the details about the course. For example, if you are interested in full stack web development, this is about the course, the prerequisite for the course. Each course has its own prerequisite. For example, for Java, we want you to know C. And for this full stack web development, we want you to know some basic programming. That's exactly mentioned here. What is the course fee for this course? And we have two different options, classroom and online. Both of them are going to cost you exactly the same. Some courses are offered in hybrid mode. Some courses are offered as just online courses. So if it is online course, then you don't have classroom option. If it is marked as hybrid, then you have both the options. Now coming to the course, these are the details. And you need to pay 200 extra if you are seeking course completion certificate. This is an additional charge in addition to course fee. Please note that. All programs demonstrated in the class are made available through GitHub repository. And also, you get course material in the form of PDF. And this is the detailed syllabus for this course. Please go through the detailed syllabus if you are interested in the course, because that gives you an idea regarding what are the topics we discuss. And I strongly recommend every student to go through this to get clarity regarding what are the things we discuss in the course. Then, if you are interested in the course, please click on register button. It's just on the left of the course. When you click on register button, it is going to ask you, are you registering for online? Because classroom students need not do this. I repeat, if you want to come to classroom, you don't need to do this. You just need to do it only if you are interested in online mode. If you want to join online, then proceed. Just click on that. Okay. Then it will ask you to provide your email address and your name. Let's say I'm giving it. I'm saying I'm Srikanth Pragada and this is my email address. And please enter email address correctly. That's the reason we are taking it twice. And then the code. You're done. Just click on register. See, this is only to get the link and some relevant information about the course. And you don't have to pay anything at this stage. Just click on register and it will send a mail to you with all the details. So once you get this message, you must be getting a mail. Please check in your spam folder and other folders of your mail if you don't get it in inbox. Generally you get it in inbox, but I can't guarantee that. So once you receive the mail, all the details are in the mail. Let me show you how your mail will be. It may take a few minutes for you to receive the mail. Please wait until you get the mail. You get the mail in this way. So you get the course for which you are joining, the starting date, and this is the most important thing. This is called the link using which you join the course. And this link remains the same throughout the course. Please note, the link does not change. You have to use exactly the same link all through the course. So you get the link through your mail. You don't need to install any software. All that you need to do is just click on the link. It'll open the session in the browser. It might ask you to install the relevant software, but if you don't want to do it, that's fine. You don't need to do that. And then here we are providing you online student guidelines. Please read this PDF. This gives you details regarding how you have to join and what are the things we expect you to do. For example, you got to be in mute all through the course, and you can interact with the trainer, that's me, using chat window. You can post your questions, you can post your answers, sometimes you can even share your code. So every communication is done through chat window. Okay, once you got the link, all that you need to do is just click on that to join the session. That's it. Okay. So the first step is go to my website, get the details. If you are interested in any of these courses, if you want to join online, then you need to go there, click on register, and provide the details. And once you get the mail, just use that link on the day of the course commencement. You just need to click on the link to join the online session. So once you join the online session, you just need to be in mute and interact with the trainer using chat window. Okay. After a few days, we generally give you 2-3 days to settle down to see how things work for you. Please note, there are no demo sessions as such. Every class is important right from the class one. So when I say Python is 36 sessions, on 28th, it is session one. So you can join a few sessions. Typically, you can join some 2-3 sessions without committing, in the sense without making any payment towards the course. You can try how things work for you. But after that, this course will be password protected. So the online session is not available unless you enter the password. And we send you password once you commit to the course. So how do you commit to the course? How do you pay towards the course? Here is the link, payment details. Just click on this, and here you can see in the quick links, payment details. Just click on that. You're going to get all the details. We have Google Pay, we have Phone Pay, we have bank transfer. So this is my account. So please use this account to transfer amount if you want to transfer through Neft or something else. And for Google Pay and Phone Pay, use this mobile number. That's all you need to do. Alternatively, you can come and pay the cash at Institute. For any reason, if you want to pay in cash, you can always do that by coming to my institute at Dwarkanagar. But we don't accept checks and other modes. So please use one of the options provided. After making the payment, the next important thing is for online students, please go to this online admission form. This link is very important. You have to click on this. It shows you admission form. And please select the batch and you want to enroll into, let us say, this Python batch starting on 28th of August. Select that correctly. This is important. You should select appropriate batch, give all the details, especially we want to know what are you doing. So if you are studying, what are you studying? And then what is your college name or your company name? And then this is another very important thing. Please provide details regarding your payment. So if you are making a payment through Phone Pay or Google Pay, you get UTR and you need to mention that here. So if you are not sure about what number you need to give as many numbers as you can. So you can provide the details here. And once you give the details, click on register. Now this is where you complete your admission process. So pay through any of those payment options, fill this admission form, and after that, you will be getting password regarding your course as well as course material. But it may take a few hours from the point you complete this to the point you get the details. Please do not panic if you don't get it immediately. So we have to verify your payment and then we will send you the details. So two things generally are sent to you: password, using which you can join the classes from then onwards, and then the course material in the form of PDF. So you have to fill this form. If you just make the payment but don't go to this step, then your admission is incomplete. So please make sure you complete this. So once it is done, you get admission number and you will be able to continue to access the sessions. All this is to be done only by online students. Classroom students don't have to go through this process. They can pay online, but they have to fill the admission form at the institute and they have to directly get into the classroom at the institute. So they don't have access to this. However, if any classroom student ever wants to move to online, it is possible. And any online student would like to come to class, that's also very much possible. We welcome people to classroom. So any online student can anytime come to classroom. Just inform the people at front office that you are an online student but would like to come to class. And classroom students, if you want to join online, you just need to either ask the people in the front office or send a mail to official mail ID, which is contact@srikanttechnologies.com. So when you send a mail, then we will respond, but your request must reach us a few hours before the commencement of the class. If the class starts at 5 in the evening, you need to send it at least by 3 or so. You can't do it at 4:55 and expect us to respond to that. It's just not practical. So please plan your sessions accordingly. So if you ever want to join online from classroom mode, you can, and we give you those two details, the link and the password. And again, remember, the link and password are same for all the sessions. You don't have to ask me every time you want to join online. Once we provide you the link and password, you can use it all through the course. So we are making it as convenient as possible for you. You can come to class, you can join online. It's possible for you to switch from this to that from time to time according to your convenience, but you just need to be aware of what you need to do that. So no classroom student can directly join online because online is always password protected. So those are the details I want you to know in order to join online course, in order to have a smooth sailing. Well, hope I gave you all the details you need to know regarding my online courses. All the very best. Keep learning.